y'all, let's make my sublimation personalized shot glasses in my new OMPERIO Sublimation Oven, because I haven't used it for my shot glasses yet, and I haven't used it much at all, but I did do an unboxing and a little review on it, but I wanted to do something I'm actually selling, so this is a real order. They've ordered from me before, which is ironic because I think they were like my first shot glass order I ever made, and they are in the product photos, I'm pretty sure. And now I'm using a new tool to make their order. So that is ironic and iconic. So let's go do that. Okay, I haven't made my shot glasses in my new OMPERIO Sublimation Oven, but it just heated up to 400 degrees, which was what my other oven I would do. Hope that doesn't stick everywhere. And then the timer starts automatically. And then don't forget to turn on the light so you can watch it in action. So we're gonna see. Okay, so it beeped and said it was done. I'm gonna use the gloves that came with the oven. Okay, it didn't stick. It did not stick to the thing like I thought. Take the other one out. We're gonna turn it off. Okay, so let's see how it turned out in the new oven that I got. These gloves I'm not used to. They're like ginormous. They're like massive, okay? So that's gonna take some getting used to with these hamburger helper gloves. Okay, it turned out just like it should. And the other side, wow. Okay, I think these gloves are great for taking things out of the oven, but I need my good old like little easy pink glove here because I can't handle the other for it. Okay. So it turned out perfect as it used to in the little air fryer I was using. So let's unwrap this other one real quick. Whenever I'm unwrapping things, I always I made this little pin thing, little weeding tool. And what I do is I always go from this way, not this way, because that's gonna maybe scratch your substrate. So always do it from the paper side whenever you're gonna use a tool to take off your tape. And then I use the tape and take that off. And sometimes if you're lucky, you do it the right way and then you don't have to peel it off anymore. So there is the other one. So they got two. I hope they have a fabulous birthday. So here is the front and the back. Grammy, you're the best. If you are interested in purchasing your own personalized shot glasses for maybe a birthday, a party, special occasion, your wedding, that would make great wedding gifts, they are on my website, instantlyunique.com. And if you're interested in getting a sublimation oven like this OMPERIO one, the OMPERIO one is actually on my links, which will be in the description of this video or my link in bio. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe and drop a comment below that said, hey, I subscribed, and I'll do my best to make sure that I reply to every single one of your comments. Thank you.